Mhm.
So, hello, my name is Nives.
And I'm Sheryl McCoy.
We are your co-hosts for week 3.
For TEFL to young learners, teaching a foreign language to young learners, teaching English as a foreign language to young learners. We're so glad that you're here with us.
This week is going to be full of activities. Some will be standard activities and some will be totally new activities. We hope that you will enjoy this week. And remember, we are here to help you. We will always be there in the background, so reach out to us in one of the forums. Over to you, Sheryl.
Yes, and do not hesitate. There is no reason to not ask for help. Always ask for help. It's always a good thing. Plus, you meet so many new people and do so many cool stuff. We can't wait to share with you what we're going to be doing. Thank you.
Okay, well, just a little bit about our week before we say goodbye. Our week 3, is all about board games. Board games, not just the classic board games, but board games specifically tailored for teaching English as a foreign language in European schools, in schools in the United States, in schools in many other countries of the world. Sheryl, do you want to add?
Oh, yes, I do. That we're going to be using these games to help improve, well, so many thinking skills, vocabulary skills, interacting with each other. And the nice thing about this is if you are using a methodology where you're using the kids speak English at the time when they're trying to play these games, then you are going to get an added bonus because they'll be interacting with each other in English. Try to help them do that, and it'll be even better. You'll love it.
Exactly. So join us in January. Do you have the dates on you, Sheryl? Join us in January for TEFL to Young Learners, Teaching EFL to Young Learners, EVO Session 2019. We will be waiting for you right here in week 3 on the Moodle. Sheryl, will you tell us the dates of the EVO Sessions for January, please? Thank you.
January 13th, 2019 will be the day we begin the EVO
Sessions.
extravaganza.
That's a great one, yes.
It will be a lot of fun, so you'll love it, especially ours.
Okay.
TEFL2YL.
Just reminding everyone that the EVO sessions for 2019 do begin, as Sheryl just said, on January the 13th, and they go for 5 weeks. And they will finish on the 17th of February. They will be 5 extravaganza weeks, as Sheryl says, because they will be 5 weeks of full-on work, whichever EVO session you choose. And we do hope you choose, as Sheryl said, our session.
Goodbye, and thank you so much for your patience, and we can't wait to see you.
Bye-bye from Italy.
Bye-bye from America.